Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a UPS red light. So if your uninterruptible power supply has a red warning light, then just follow along. First, check the user manual for your UPS model to see what the red indicator specifically means. And in many cases, it may indicate an overload, battery problem, internal fault, or another warning. Then you need to disconnect unnecessary device from the UPS and restart it. And if the battery is old or no longer holding a charge, then it may need to be replaced. Also inspect the power cord and make sure the UPS is plugged into a working wall outlet. Then listen for any alarm sounds, as the number of pattern of beeps can help identify the problem. And if the red light stays on after troubleshooting, then you need to contact the manufacturer or a qualified technician for further diagnosis. So that was how to fix a UPS red light. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.